What's going on, guys? Andrew here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to make a very interactive chatbot for your agency client. So stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we're in the computer and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very interactive chatbot for your clients that you'll be obtaining, either selling them with Facebook advertising or chatbot funnels. What I want to show you guys is in 2020 how to make something that's very interactive, very appealing to your client, and something that's going to set you apart in comparison to a lot of other chatbot creators. And for this example, we're going to be using a barbershop. So if you're still having trouble figuring out what exactly your vertical is or niche that you want to get into, barbershops are great, especially high-end barbershops, right? So the ones that do the manicures, the pedicures, facials, all that for the guys out there. Now, if you're a business owner and you own a barbershop, this is something that you might want to implement inside of your business as well. I'll show you guys all of this inside of here as we walk through the demo, which I'm going to show you right now. Then we can start making the transition into actually creating this. So when someone sees their ad running on Facebook, they click it. This is going to take them directly into Messenger. So you're going to have that person inside of your Messenger funnel, and you'll be able to remarket to them at any point in time because they're going to be inside of your funnel. So obviously you're going to have the barbershop's logo, or if they don't have one, there's your opportunity to either upsell or create one for them. They'll click Start Demo. What they're going to get is a welcome message, right? So thanks for stopping by. My name is Q, the barbershop virtual assistant. So you want to make this personal and as non-robotic as possible, so that way people are going to know it's a chatbot, but also you want to think about adding personality into the chatbot, right? So I always put, I'm here to help as much as possible. Below are some of the most popular questions. Are you looking for any of these? Set an appointment, get a list of the barbers, shop products. So a lot of barbershops either have product on consignment or they have their own product. So you obviously want to drive sales as well as get clients to book appointments with your barbers. So this is like an all-in-one type of ecosystem for your client, or if you're the business owner, this is something that you can apply for your business. So let's do set appointment. So we hit set appointment. We got a nice little gift that pops up. Awesome, let's book that cut. Do you have a barber in mind, or would you like to see a list of our barber professionals, right? So let's say I'm somebody new. I have no idea. I've never been to this place. I just saw an advertisement for, let's say, a coupon or some type of offer. So let's go list of barbers. What's going to happen next is you're obviously going to want to get photos or go on their Instagram and crop photos and put them in here so that way they can see who they're getting when they walk into a place that they've never been to. They actually have an idea of who they have the appointment with, right? So once you click book appointment, you'll have it open Google Calendar. So that way it can bring up a list of the availability, time slots, and they can just randomly pick what days they want to come in for this appointment, right? Take a look at some of the other features that are in this chatbot. Let's go shop product. You can set this up to be your own e-commerce website within Messenger, which is so cool because now you don't have to pay for a website. You don't have to pay for, a domain name. You don't have to pay for, Shopify and out the fees that they take, right? This can all be done within Messenger. So very, very cool. Very good way for you to sell this to your clients, or if you're a business owner, really, really good way to get this, like I said, implemented inside of your ecosystem. So really cool stuff, guys, that you can do inside of Messenger. If you're not familiar with it yet, we're going to dive into how to make this right now. So what you want to do, guys, if you're not familiar with setting up a chatbot or chatbot marketing, what you want to do is head over to Manychat.com. There's going to be a link in the description. It'll send you directly over to Manychat for you guys to sign up. If you guys want to use the pro version, which I do recommend, a lot of cool features that are exclusive to pro members. So once you sign up, what's going to end up happening is you're going to link your Facebook page or your client's Facebook page with Manychat Messenger ref URL. You'll click that. And here you're going to be able to start customizing your chatbot. You'll hit edit and you'll be able to start doing everything within here. So here is what's called a card. So it's this option right here. As you scroll down into Manychat, you're going to see options of how you can create a chatbot. This is a card. Think of it as a virtual doormat where that's the first impression you get before you get let into the house, right? This little welcome message, and you're going to have a button here that's going to lead to the next step. Objective when they click the button can be a whole list of things, right? You send message, open a website, can be tons of different things, right? So we're just going to do send message, which prompts the next message that we're going to create, right? So the next message we're going to create in that is introducing yourself, introducing what exactly they're here for, right? What exactly are you going to help them with? So, hey, first name, thanks for stopping by. I'm however you want to name your chatbot, the virtual assistant. I always put a delay after that, so 3 seconds. And then I go into actually giving them options on what to do. So, text. I'm here to help as much as possible. Below are some of the most popular questions. Are you looking for any of these? Right? So you're going to want to add buttons here. So you'll add a button that will obviously open up another portion of the chatbot addressing everything that button's title, everything under that title for that button. So this one can be set appointment. The next one could be, shop products. The next one can be directions. So I'm sure you guys get the hang of how to do this so far. I'm going to dive a little bit into the more complicated stuff right now, which is actually how to set the appointment, link it to Google Calendars, and then we'll wrap up the video from there. So if you have a set appointment button, you're going to want to have it go send a message, right? So acknowledge the fact that you understand they want to set an appointment. So obviously give them the option after that if they have a barber in mind or if they just want to see a list of barbers, right? So if they want to see a list of barbers, have that option in there. Create a list, and that's going to be under list, right? So it's the list widget. You'll just click that and it'll obviously populate something like this where you'll just fill it in, right? So for instance, we'll click list. And here you can add pictures, add titles. So John, the days he works, the times, 11 to 5 p.m., etc., right? So add button would be book now, right? So after you get that portion created, what you'll want to do is there's several different options. I always, to make it really, really easy, is just have it open up a website, right? Have that open up to Calendly. Have that open up to Google Calendars, right? Make it really, really seamless and easy for the person that more than likely already has the app, Google app or Gmail, and have them just click it there. Have them just sync it. So once you're in Google Calendars, you'll go to where it says My Calendars. You'll click the menu, the 3 dots, Settings and Sharing. Scroll down. You'll want to make sure that the permissions are clicked and checked so that way people can actually view the calendar. You'll get a shareable link. Copy the link. Go back to your chatbot. Where it says website address, you'll paste that in there. You'll click Done. And that's how you do it. Pretty simple. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. Hopefully you found that very informative. If you guys have any more questions in regards to a little bit more detail on how to set this up, there's a few links in the description below that you guys can click to get a hold of me. I also started a Facebook group. The link is in the description as well. Agency. So the whole Facebook group is really designed to give you as much information as you're going to need to run effective Facebook advertising in 2020 and beyond, as well as how to sell digital advertising. Because it's one thing to learn how to do the techie stuff, it's a completely different beast to actually learn the sales process effectively. Again, all the links are in the description. Go ahead and click those. Until next time, guys, keep hustling, keep doing your thing, and I'll see you in the next video.